Today we decided to make a damper. This is my first ever damper, so it will be interesting. I saw so many YouTubers and the recipe is on Google. I will put it on a video. The ingredient is self-rising flour, butter, and milk. That's it. 3 things.
Wow.
You can make a damper. So easy.
It's all in there. Wowee! Not quite there, but
No, not yet. I think
Tell you
a bit
what.
longer. Yeah.
looking good though. I'll come back in 15 minutes and check it out.
See, this is the second time.
Oh, getting closer, isn't it?
Yeah. Maybe just oh, it looks like it's cooked though.
Oh.
Yeah, a little bit dark.
Well, there you have it, a little bit overcooked.
Yeah, then we flick the other side and cover it up a little bit. Just
Ooh.
shake again.
Yeah. They've got a little crusty top.
Okay.
Oh, I can see the steam coming out.
Yeah. I don't know if it cook or
Oh,
not.
I think it looks fantastic. Look at that.
Is it?
Yeah.
Not yet, actually. Is it cooked?
Maybe it is. The moment of truth. Oh, looks pretty good. A little bit brown on the top. It's going to make it crunchy. Looks pretty good.
Yeah. I said when you tap it and sound hello, that means it's cooked. Yeah.
Wow.
Butter and sour cream.
Oh,
Okay, let's get the plate. This is my damper with butter, sour cream, and chive. Look like potato, isn't it?
I love it. Look what's left of it. Not much.
What you gonna rate?
Ah, 10 out of 10.
Oh,
Created in the naturally wondering kitchen. I reckon we'll do this again. We might do it in the oven. We might do it in the coals of the fire. A bit hard on the barbecue, but I tell you what, it's all crunchy and tasty. It's all cooked very well.